This is our Viair ability to air compressor to pump up our tires on our RV and our truck. And it comes with two, you plug one in here, you plug this into the truck. And you can see that I've got it connected to the battery there in the truck. And then there's an on and off switch, power switch right there. And then you add the primary hose here, and if you need more length than just this much, then you can add this secondary hose, which I did to do the tires on the RV back there and stuff. And now I'm going to check the tires here on the truck itself. But anyway, it's got the two different ends here. You can have the one with the more of a gun style where you pull this and this screws onto the thing, or if your tire stems are to where you can't reach them, they have this backward facing one that you can attach here where this gun is attached here. But it's a nice little setup here and makes it easy to air up your tires and check your tires and all that stuff. And basically you just pull the little trigger and the air goes in, and you stop when you got enough air in there. You just stop, and it's really handy. We like it. And now that the truck's off, I can tell you it comes with its own little carrying bag right here. It's got pouches on it, and these two hoses, they're actually labeled so that this one is the primary one that connects up to the compressor, coils down into this little pouch in the front. And then the second hose for the extension, it actually is labeled extension hose. So, and then it has a little pouch in the back of the carrying case. So really nice little setup here. And of course, the first time I used it, I had the truck on and everything was going, and I forgot to turn the little power switch on, so I was wondering why it didn't work. And there's a little power switch on the unit itself to turn it on and off, but I kind of forgot that part. But then I found it and turned it on, and it's worked great ever since. So I've used it, I don't know, a dozen times or so in the last year or so. I don't know. Anyway, we love it. It's great.